Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from a Roth IRA at Fidelity, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing from your Roth IRA at Fidelity, ensure you meet the eligibility requirements. Typically, you must be at least 59.5 years old or have held the account for at least 5 years. Log into your Fidelity account using your username and password. Navigate to the Accounts and Trade tab located at the top of the page. Select Accounts from the drop-down menu to view your accounts. Click on your Roth IRA account to access its details. On the Account Details page, look for the Withdrawals option in the menu. Select Withdraw Funds to start the withdrawal process. Choose the type of withdrawal you want to make, whether it's a partial or full withdrawal. For partial withdrawals, enter the amount you wish to take out. Review the distribution options available to you, such as direct deposit or check. If you select direct deposit, ensure your bank account information is correct. For check withdrawals, confirm the mailing address where you want the check sent. Read through any disclaimers and conditions before proceeding with your withdrawal. Click the Continue button to advance to the next step. Review your withdrawal request to verify all details are accurate. Once everything looks good, click the Submit button to finalize your withdrawal. You will receive a confirmation message on the screen and via email regarding your withdrawal request. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding the processing of your withdrawal. Your funds will be available based on the method you chose and the processing times at Fidelity. If you have any questions during the process, consider reaching out to Fidelity's customer service for assistance. Once your withdrawal is processed, make sure to track it in your account statements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.